Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting, cooking adventure on cross-gamechain. If you love cooking games, restaurant management, and a little bit of Web3 innovation mixed in, this one's for you. In this video, I'll break down what cooking adventure is, how the gameplay work, what makes cross-gamechain special, and whether this game is actually worth your time. Let's jump right in. What is cooking adventure? Cooking adventure is a fast-paced restaurant simulation game where you step into the shoes of a chef building a global food empire. Think and focus on time management, quick cooking combos, serving customers under pressure, upgrading your kitchen, unlocking new restaurants. You start small, flipping burgers, making coffee, serving desserts, but as you progress, you unlock new cuisines from around the world. The core goal? Serve customers quickly, earn coins, upgrade equipment, and expand your culinary empire. But what makes this version interesting is its integration with cross-gamechain. What is cross-gamechain? Cross-gamechain is a blockchain-based gaming ecosystem that connects multiple games through shared digital assets. Here is the gameplay breakdown. Let's talk about the gameplay loop. First, they order, you cook, and you serve. Customers walk in with specific orders. You will tap ingredients, cook at the right time, combine dishes, serve before patience runs out. Speed is everything. If you're too slow, customers leave unhappy. If you're efficient, you earn bonuses and combos. Second, upgrades and progression. Upgrades are key to success. You can improve cooking speed, food prices, customer patience, kitchen equipment. Better upgrades equal higher profits equals faster progression. And if cross-gamechain integration is active, some premium or rare items may have additional utility or tradable value. Third, multiple restaurants. You don't just stay in one kitchen. You unlock cafes, BBQ spots, seafood restaurants, dessert houses, international cuisines. Each restaurant introduces new mechanics which keeps gameplay fresh instead of repetitive. My final thoughts. So, is cooking adventure on cross-gamechain worth trying? Here's my take. Fun, fast-paced gameplay, tons of restaurants, addictive time management mechanics, interesting Web3 integration. If you love cooking games and you're curious about blockchain gaming, this is a cool hybrid experience. If you're purely casual and not into Web3, you can still enjoy the cooking mechanics without going deep into the ecosystem. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button. Subscribe for more gaming deep dives, Web3 breakdowns, and honest reviews. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite cooking game of all time? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.